Are you a fresher, a job seeker, a technical person, a software developer, an engineer, or from any other stream? Are you looking for a better career opportunity? Kindly join PCS Global and take the specialization from PCS Global. Practice high and low level system design and data structures and algorithms. We are providing the master classes every Saturday in Java full stack development, Python, and Salesforce and Java DevOps. In each and every master class, we are providing the knowledge of technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, MongoDB, React. In DevOps masterclasses, we are providing that knowledge of Git, GitHub, Ansible, Jenkins, Docker, and many more. So, guys, the times of the masterclasses are in Java masterclass, it will be from 9 a.m. In Python masterclass, it will be from 11 o'clock. In DevOps masterclass, it will be from 1 p.m. And the Salesforce masterclass will be from 2:30 p.m. Every Saturday, join the masterclasses, get the proper knowledge, and be a part of PCS Global. If you want to enroll yourself in masterclass, kindly find the link below, which is provided in my video, which is attached with my video. Kindly find the link and join and be a part of PCS Global. Thank you, guys.